Hi guys, Dr. David Warwick here, and I'm doing almost a 2 week follow-up, I think it is. Gosh, has it been 2 weeks almost? And how things are going again. But I wanted to share with you all the things that I'm doing, especially one of the things that I recommend to you day in and day out of the office, that I share with you as patients. That how do I take better control of my life and my health? It's really not relying on the doctors. It's relying on yourself to take care of you. And how do you do that? You break it down to really good and simple and easy steps that we share day in and day out. I've been going to physical therapy now, and the PTs and everyone said I'm at least 2 weeks ahead of where most people are in surgery. And why is that? Because I'm practicing what I share with you guys. I've been doing the physical therapy exercise that I was given on day one when I left the hospital for the post-op surgery. This is something that not all, but a lot of doctors are sharing with you, and I'm going to share with you what I am doing as well. So that includes one of the things, obviously doing my physical therapy, going to that a few times a week, working pretty hard on that, but doing the rehab, whether it's stretches or exercises each day at the home care recommendations, which we also provide you guys to do as well. And that reduces the inflammation in my knee, but it also helps build up the structures and the integrity to make sure your spine and your body feels safe. So guess what? I'm doing it too. No one likes to exercise. No one likes to stretch. But you know what? It's good for you once in a while to get your body and move. So doing that, one of the other key things is I am getting outside. I'm doing something that's called earthing or grounding. There's a great book called Earthing on it, or a video you can watch. And what is that? Take your shoes and socks off and walk outside on the grass, on the ground, on the beach where the sand is, and you connect energy back to the earth again. It gives back to you. Just like you give carbon dioxide to the plants, it gives back oxygen. As you walk or animals walk on the earth, the energy you get back is grounding or to help reduce inflammation, and it's natural. You can get various types of grounding devices. I have like a grounding blanket that you can sleep with, and that helps reduce the inflammation because the earth has a certain energy that gives back to you and draws out that inflammatory process. So look into that. You can get little pads or mats, but the grounding blanket is probably one of the key things. Or just simply walking outside for just a period of time, or go to the beach when you do, walk without your shoes. That's why we do it, because you're connecting back to the earth. Another thing that was a really key thing is that I am drinking plenty of water and have been from day one. Plenty of water with electrolytes in it. Helps flush out the toxins, obviously from the medications, but also from the things that, of inflammation in the body. So I take what's called LMNT or Element. You can get on Amazon. It's electrolytes. It's not that horrible stuff that you call, the sport drinks or any of those. Those are unhealthy. In fact, if you can't pronounce what's on the can or on the label, you probably shouldn't be digesting it or drinking it. So Element, drinking water with electrolytes. I am using the laser therapy, same thing we use at the office to help with you guys to reduce inflammation. It targets a site of the injury or where the inflammation is. You can use also what's called EMR Tech or red light therapy units. We have one of those, and I've been using that as well. Just to name a couple things on there, or things that we're doing as far as light therapy. Also doing, taking time to breathe, relax, is has been a really big part. It's been, I have to say, a big challenge for me, because it was hard for me after, 3 major injuries to my knee. It was just, my knee was beyond repair at this point, guys. So I had to have a total knee replacement. and it's coming along. So I'm taking one day at a time, and slowly we'll integrate back in over time. So I know the docs, Dr. Keevan and Dr. Champagne are doing a good job to support you guys and be there for you, but also to support me. Some of the other things that I'm doing, listen, I got outside in the sunshine. I told you guys to do that even for a few minutes. It could be really helpful for you to just connect with a little natural light therapy. Another big thing, a super big thing that I've been doing along with all the other modalities that I've been doing to help heal myself. Obviously, getting adjusted. I've been coming in a couple times a week to get adjusted at the office, and I can tell you, they had to modify how they adjust me as well, which we could always do for a US injury. But I could tell as soon as they adjusted me, I felt stronger in my legs even, because you remove, by adjusting the spine, no matter how a chiropractor does it, you remove that nerve interference so the body can function better, guys. It's just that simple. I know you often want the pain to go away right away, but inflammation process takes time, and you have to invest in yourself, not just through an adjustment, but truly taking care of yourself. So yes, I got adjusted a few times, and it was super helpful in helping me heal as part of it. But another thing that I did is I've been going for IV therapy. I get a Myers cocktail that contains C, D, zinc, magnesium, and then a big followed up dose with what's called NAD+, another inflammatory reducing process or procedure to use and help get rid of toxins, but repair the mitochondria and rebuild the cells in the body so you can reduce that inflammatory process in your body from a day to day. I encourage you to look at it. I go to Rejuvenate. That's for the IV therapy, something for you to experience and do, and encourage you to do that as well. And another thing I did, yes, I got a massage, and we'll be getting another one. She actually, the therapist that came to the house, actually worked on my leg, believe it or not, for 90 minutes, actually almost 2 hours, to be honest with you, helping do effleurage, moving out the inflammation from the leg and knee so I can function a little better. So guys, you can do the same or similar thing. You don't have to do it all, but experience what works for you and your body. And helping you feel better and do the things right. You bet. I've been working at it too, and it is some work, but it was worth it because I know I'm doing better, and it was much needed. So don't forget, Dr. Champagne, Dr. Keevan are there to help you, support you during your chiropractic journey. Thinking about you guys, I just wanted to give you a little bit of update of all the things I've been doing. Yes, I have checked in to the office, and you know what? They're there to serve you. So miss you guys, and I'll be seeing you hopefully soon. Take care. Have a great weekend. Talk soon.